share this video with all the Ijomas that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Like this video, and like I said, share it with all your friends. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the bell button so that you can know whenever I post a new video. Hit my Instagram DM in the description and let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. If you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry, I'll gift you one. And if you are Igbo, let me know too, and I will feature your name on the